Hello. If you are watching this video, you probably struggled a little bit on this question. Which sentence best describes the model above? Let's take a look at our model. For this model, we are looking at the effect of temperature. Our model is broken up into two steps, just like our sentence should be. In the first step, we know that very high temperatures can cause an air parcel to rise higher in the troposphere. Step 2 talks about how once an air parcel is higher in the troposphere, there's a greater temperature difference between the cloud, the air parcel, and the surrounding air. The surrounding air is very cold, and that air parcel is very high. Energy will transfer out, causing more condensation, causing more rain. Let's take a look at our sentences. A. Warmer temperatures cause the air parcel to rise higher. There is a greater temperature difference between the air parcel and the surrounding air, which causes more water vapor to condense into liquid water, creating more rain. Sounds good so far. Let's look at B. Warmer temperatures cause the air parcel to rise higher, which will cause more water to condense into liquid water, creating more rain. That's a true sentence, but it skips out on the part of the greater temperature difference between the air parcel and the surrounding air. C. Warmer temperatures cause the air parcel to rise higher. There is a greater temperature difference between the air parcel and the surrounding air, which creates more rain. C has the greater temperature difference part in the sentence, but it does not include the fact that the greater temperature difference causes more condensation to create more of that rain. Sentence A is the best sentence to describe the model above. If we look at the hint, which sentence is the most detailed, sentence A definitely looks more detailed just by looking at how much bigger it is than B and C, but it's good that we check to make sure that the details were right. Make sure that when you're clicking through the lesson, that you select sentence A for the best sentence to describe the model.